In this video, I will show you the exact steps to connect your box storage directly to Claude so you can easily reference your files during your AI conversations. Integrating these two platforms is a fantastic way to streamline your workflow because it allows Claude to analyze documents and data stored in your cloud without you having to manually upload every single file each time. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Claude account on a web browser. The first thing you need to do is look for your profile name, which is located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on your name to open up a small menu and then select the Settings option. Once the Settings window pops up, you want to navigate to the section labeled as Connected Apps or Tools. This area manages all the external services that can interact with your AI assistant. Within this list, you will see various integrations, so simply scroll down until you find Box. When you see it, click the Connect button located right next to the icon. This action will trigger a new window to open where you will be asked to authorize the connection. You will need to log into your Box account using your standard credentials to grant the necessary permissions for the two apps to sync. After you confirm the authorization, you will be redirected back to Claude and you should see that the status has updated to Connected. Now you can easily pull in your professional documents and research files directly from your cloud storage. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helps you work more efficiently.